Hello everyone, today we're gonna be making crab omelette. Crab omelette is fluffy and full with chunks of crab meats on the inside. It is actually one of my favorite recipes of all time. For ingredients, I'm having here 4 medium-sized eggs. To get started, we're gonna crack 2 eggs into the mixing bowl. For this recipe, we're gonna use the fresh eggs. The fresher, the better. The eggs should be fresh enough that you can actually pinch it up just like this. You can also test this by placing the egg into a bowl filled with water. And then we're gonna add half a tablespoon of soy sauce. I'm also having here steamed crab knuckles. For today's recipe, we're using blue swimmer crabs. To get these, we steam the crabs for about 15 to 20 minutes in the steamer. And the next step, I'm preparing the seal for the omelette. Here I'm cracking the remaining 2 eggs into the pouring jar. After about 3 to 4 minutes, the omelette has turned golden brown. We're gonna remove the omelette from the pan. Give it a little shake to remove the excess oil. And there you have it, simple and delicious crab omelette you can try making at home. I like to serve this dish with chili sauce like sriracha sauce. If you like this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.